Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NooriVerse Kids.
Sammy, Lean, do you know what do we say before eating?
We say Bismillah.
Okay, let's sing the Bismillah song with me.
Are you ready? Let's start everything with a happy heart. When I wake up for the sunny day, in every way, what do we say? Before we begin, before we play, we say it every single day. Bismillah, the most loving and kind. Bismillah, with a happy mind. Before each bite it makes food taste right. Bismillah, Allah is near, everything's bright. Combing my hair, choosing clothes to wear, tying my shoes, showing that I care. When I sweep the floor or close the door, I say Bismillah and then a little more. Clap along! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp, 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 7, 8, 9, jump so high, 10, Alhamdulillah, reach for the sky. Bismillah, the most loving and kind. Bismillah, with a happy mind. Before each bite it makes food taste right. Bismillah, Allah is near, everything's bright. When I open my book to read and learn, when I wait my turn, when I take my turn, before I write or draw a line, I say Bismillah every time. When I help my mom, when I help my dad, sharing toys makes friends so glad. Before I start, I smile and say Bismillah guides me every day. Bismillah, soft and sweet. Bismillah makes life complete. Before we start, both near and far, Bismillah, we know who we are. When I run outside to laugh and play, under blue skies, hip hip hooray. Before I slide or swing up high, I say Bismillah, reaching the sky. When I ride my bike, slow or fast, I know Allah's care will always last. Before I go, before I run, and Bismillah makes everything fun. Everything is better with Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, for another happy day. Wave goodbye, smile so wide. See you next time, keep Bismillah by your side. Oh, by your side.
Subscribe to NooriVerse Kids for more fun and learning.
Bye-bye.